Welcome back to AZE English Listening Practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today's topic is daily problems and solutions, small problems we all face in everyday life.
That's right. Things like losing your keys, missing the bus, having phone problems, or running late.
And in today's episode, you'll learn simple English phrases to talk about these problems and how to solve them.
We'll listen to 2 everyday conversations and then review useful vocabulary and speaking tips.
I lose my keys all the time. Honestly, it happens at least once a week.
Same here. But my biggest problem is probably my phone battery. It always dies at the worst possible moment.
That's the worst, especially when you need directions or need to call someone.
Exactly. Everyday problems can be stressful, but knowing simple English can really help.
You only need a few useful phrases, like, I can't find my keys. My phone isn't working. I missed the bus. What should I do?
These are very common expressions in everyday English conversations.
And the more you practice them, the more natural your English will sound.
All right, let's listen to conversation 1.
Omar, I can't find my keys anywhere. I think I lost them.
Relax. They're probably somewhere nearby. Did you check your bag?
Yeah, I already checked twice. They're not inside.
Okay. What about your desk or the kitchen table?
I looked there too. I'm starting to panic because I'm already late.
Don't worry yet. Think about the last time you used them.
I think I used them when I got home yesterday evening.
All right. Did you wear the same jacket yesterday?
Actually, yes. Why?
Check the pockets. Sometimes I leave my keys there without noticing.
Wait a second. Oh, wow, you're right. They were in my jacket pocket the whole time.
See? Problem solved.
I can't believe I didn't check there first.
It happens to everyone. I lose things all the time too.
Seriously, I'm always losing my keys or my phone.
Maybe you should keep them in the same place every day.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
A small basket near the door helps a lot.
Honestly, I need that. Thanks for helping me.
No problem. Now hurry before you miss the bus too.
Don't say that. I'm leaving right now.
Welcome back. That was a very realistic conversation about a problem many people have, losing their keys.
That's right. It may seem like a small problem, but it's something that happens every day. The good news is that Omar showed a simple and practical way to solve it.
I also like how Omar stayed calm and asked helpful questions instead of guessing where the keys were.
Exactly. He asked, did you check your bag? And what about your jacket pockets? These are simple questions that help someone think step by step.
Another useful expression was problem solved. Native English speakers often use this phrase when an issue has been fixed.
And Omar gave some excellent advice. Put your keys in the same place every day. Creating a simple habit like that can save you a lot of time and stress.
Now, let's look at some useful vocabulary from the conversation.
Our first word is lose.
Lose means you don't know where something is.
Example, I always lose my keys.
Next is check.
Check means to look carefully for something.
Example, did you check your bag?
Another useful word is pocket.
A pocket is a small part of your clothes where you keep things like keys, money, or your phone.
Example, my keys were in my jacket pocket.
And finally, problem solved. We use this expression when the problem has been fixed or everything is okay again. Example, I found my keys. Problem solved.
If you'd like to review today's vocabulary, don't forget to download the free PDF in the description.
It includes all the key words, definitions, and example sentences from today's lesson.
Great job. Now let's continue with conversation 2 and see another common daily problem.
Rose, what's wrong? You look really stressed. My phone isn't working anymore. The screen suddenly went black. Oh no. Did it fall or get wet? No, nothing like that. It was working fine this morning. That's strange. Did you try restarting it? Yeah, I held the power button for almost a minute, but nothing happened. Maybe the battery is completely dead. Did you charge it today? Actually, no. I forgot my charger at home this morning. That might be the problem then. I hope so. I was worried the phone was broken. Do you want to try my charger? I think we have the same phone type. Really? That would be amazing. Of course. Here, plug it in and wait a minute. Okay. Oh, wait. I see the battery symbol now. See? Your phone just needed charging. Oh, thank goodness. I was seriously panicking. I understand. Phones are so important now for work, messages, and everything else. Exactly. I have all my contacts and work apps on there. Well, at least it's not broken. Yeah. Thanks for helping me. No problem. But maybe keep an extra charger at work from now on. Honestly, that's a really smart idea. And if the phone stops working again, you can always take it to a phone repair shop after work. True. But hopefully I won't need to. Hopefully not.
This conversation showed another very common daily problem, a phone that suddenly stops working.
Exactly. And Rose helped by giving simple solutions, like charging the phone or visiting a phone repair shop.
The conversation also used useful everyday phrases, like, "My phone isn't working. Did you try restarting it? You can use my charger."
These are very natural expressions that people use all the time.
First word, screen.
The screen is the front part of a phone, where you see information and touch the controls.
Next word, restart.
To restart something means to turn it off and then turn it on again.
Another useful word is battery.
The battery gives power to your phone.
If the battery is dead, the phone won't work.
And finally, charger.
A charger is the cable or device used to charge your phone battery. Practice describing simple problems like, "My phone isn't working. I lost my keys." And practice asking for help with phrases like, "What should I do? Can you help me?"
You can also practice giving simple solutions. Try restarting it. Check your bag.
Now tell us, what daily problem happens to you most often?
Share your answer in the comments.
And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to A to Z English.
See you in the next episode.